Hey guys, today we are making a golden ginger booster just to kickstart your day and to boost your immunity. You are going to need these very easy to get ingredients, and then you start off by first cleaning your ginger and peeling off the skin with the back of a knife or a spoon. Trust me, it's much safer. And once you're done, you're going to wash all of this under running water until it's very clear. Next, you're going to chop up the ginger and add it to a smoothie blender or any blender you have at home. Add your ginger, add your honey, and then 2 teaspoons of your turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of baobab powder. The baobab is so good, it adds a little sweetness to it. Add some water and blend this until very smooth. Use a strainer to sieve out the pulp from the liquid. And there you have it. It's so golden, so healthy, and it's such a kickstarter to your day. I kid you not. I had 2 glasses of this, and man, I just felt pumped up for the day. Initially, I thought I couldn't do this, but man, the honey and the baobab powder made it so worth it. It had a slightly sweetish taste to it, and I was so ready for the day. I mean, it was so good, I just had to have seconds. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to ask any questions below, like this video, subscribe, and share as well. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.